Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Chandraman Shohag with you in this video. Now I am showing you how to make two-way switch in one method wiring diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Switch 1 and switch 2 bulb phase connection input to switch 1 common terminal. Phase connection from L1 to switch 2 L2 terminal. Phase connection from switch 1 L2 to switch 2 L1 terminal. Phase connection from switch 2 common terminal to connect bulb. Neutral connection to bulb neutral point. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.